This Monday on Degrassi.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north-central Kerr County in northeastern North Carolina, the southeastern city of Chesapeake and southeastern Virginia, the south-central city of Virginia Beach in southeastern Virginia, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:57 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located over northwest, or 10 miles southeast of Great Bridge, moving east at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of north-central Kerr, the southeastern city of Chesapeake and the south-central city of Virginia Beach, including the following locations: London. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.